Hello everyone, my name is Rupendrajeet Singh and this video demonstration is regarding Cybersecurity and Analytics MN623, Assignment 1B. In this video demonstration, I will try to demonstrate some vulnerability scanners which are available in the market, and without taking much of your time, I would like to start with Nmap tool. A very short introduction of this tool will be that it is a short name for network mapper, and it is a free and open source tool for vulnerability scanning and network discovery. In the present time, the network administrators use Nmap to identify what devices are running on their systems, discovering some hosts that are available and the services which they offer. So now we will move to the command line which will be used to execute this tool. To start with, I have moved to the root folder, and for that I've used sudo su, then I put my password, and then I was in this directory. So after that I need to go to the root access. So for that I have changed the directory and reached to the root Kali folder. So the first command under this would be apt get install nmap. As I've already installed all the packages, so it didn't take that much time, and it is showing me this information that I've already got it installed. After that we need to use a script, and we need to download that script from the internet. So before downloading that script, we need to move to the directory, and for that very purpose I have given this directory, which is cd space user um, slash share slash nmap slash scripts. And this is because of the reason that whenever we use the nmap vulners script, the scanner should know from where they need to retrieve that script, and that's why we have moved to this script, to this directory, and then we will use the command git space clone space the hyperlink. And to get that hyperlink, it is very easy. We just need to google github.com space nmap vulners, and we will reach this page, and from here we need to copy this URL. After copying this URL, we just need to paste it here, and then we just need to hit enter, and we will download that script. The final command under this tool will be nmap space hash script space the name of the script, which is nmap vulners, and then space, and then hash small s capital V, which is for the service version, so that we can get to know that what ports are open on the host machine and what is their version. So for in instance, I've used this website www.pahul.in, which is one of my friend's website, and I've taken permission for the scanning as well, and then I'll show the output on this text file. So after executing this command, we will have some output in the form of this, which will be shown here. As I cannot show the output because of the security purposes, so it will just show the output over here. So that's all from my side in terms of the network map scanner. And the next scanner which I will be used in this video is the OWASP Zap. So it is a pre-installed tool in the Kali Linux, and we just need to search it here for Zap. So we'll get this tool, and we will just hit enter, and we will reach this screen. So it is a very easy tool, and it is a graphical interface. So we just need to select this option, no, I do not want to persist this session at this moment in time, and put start. And then we will go to automated scan, and we will put the URL over here. So as for instance, I've used my friend's website over here as well for scanning, and then we just need to attack the website. When we will hit attack, it will show some details over here, like let me show you. So like this, it will be showing some attacks over here. So what we just need to do is we need to click on the report and generate a HTML report for this. As I've already made a report for this, so that's it from my side in terms of this tool, and I cannot share this report in the video as well, as for the security purposes. I hope you like the video and wish you a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.